Imagine working from home in the USA and earning $5,000 a month just by writing words that sell. That's the power of copywriting, and today I will show you exactly how to start and scale this skill into a profitable online career. Copywriting is not just writing, it's persuasion. It's the secret behind ads, websites, and emails that make people click buy. Every business in America needs it, which means endless opportunities for freelancers ready to step in. Step 1. Learn the basics: headlines, storytelling, and calls to action. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Start small with product, descriptions, or ad copy for local businesses, or use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Step 3. Market yourself. Share samples on LinkedIn, pitch directly to startups, and join USA-based copywriting groups. As you gain confidence, raise your rates. In the USA, skilled copywriters charge $50 to $200 per hour. Specialize in niches like tech, health, or finance, industries that pay premium. With consistency, you can hit $5,000 per month